Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play Goat Simulator on PC. First, you'll want to find where the game is available, like Steam or the Epic Games Store. Before buying, quickly check your computer's specifications to make sure it can run the game smoothly. Most modern PCs should be fine, but it's always good to confirm. Once you've chosen your platform, simply purchase and download the game to your system. After your download is complete, a simple installation wizard will guide you through the setup process. This usually takes just a few moments. Once installed, you can easily find the game's icon, either on your desktop for quick access or within your chosen game launcher's library. A quick double-click on that icon will then launch Goat Simulator, ready for you to begin your chaotic adventure. Now let's get into the basic controls. You'll use the classic W, A, S, D keys to move your goat around the world. To jump over obstacles or climb onto structures, simply press the spacebar. For interacting with objects, like dragging them around, use the left mouse button to lick them. And if you want to cause some real mayhem, a quick right-click will let you headbutt almost anything in your path. To truly master the game, try experimenting with the ragdoll physics by pressing the R key. It's great for getting into tight spots or just for laughs. The world is full of secrets, so explore every nook and cranny to find hidden areas and collectibles, which often grant you points. Don't forget to check out the Mutators menu to unlock and try different gameplay modifiers. Most importantly, have fun in this wonderfully silly open-world sandbox.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.